In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Fresha using our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. So whether you're a newcomer looking to explore it or you're returning and simply setting up a new account, just follow along and you'll be all set in no time. First things first, let's get started by opening the Fresha app on your mobile device or simply visiting their website on your desktop browser. You'll be greeted by the inviting interface of Fresha, where you'll have access to a world of services at your fingertips. Once you've got the app or the site open in front of you, you're halfway there. Next, you'll want to look for the option that says sign up or register. This is usually prominently displayed on the main homepage of mobile apps and at the top right corner of most websites. So go ahead and click or tap on this option. You're now on the fast track to joining the vibrant community of Fresha users. Now it's time to choose your preferred registration method. Fresha offers a variety of options to simplify the process. You can register using your email, phone number, or by linking your account via Google, Apple, or Facebook. It's all about what feels convenient for you. Keep in mind, linking an existing account like Google or Apple can speed things up since it automatically populates some of your personal information. Once you've decided which method suits you best, proceed by entering the required details. For instance, if you're using email, enter your address and any additional information needed. If you're using a linked account, you'll likely be directed to confirm your login through those specific services. It's quick, easy, and secure. In this step, you'll also need to accept the terms and conditions of using the Fresha platform. After completing these details, Fresha will often require that you verify your account. This could be through a verification email or an SMS code, so keep an eye on your inbox or messages. Verifying ensures your account is secure, and it's a crucial step for your protection. With your account verified, you're now ready to set up your profile. This is where it gets exciting. You can personalize your experience, making it truly yours. Fill in the necessary information such as your name and preferences. Once your profile is complete, you're all set to start booking appointments and exploring the diverse range of services available on Fresha. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to registering on Fresha. Following these straightforward steps not only ensures you're set up correctly, but also makes sure you're ready to dive into all that Fresha has to offer. Happy scheduling and enjoy the seamless services Fresha delivers.